We're going to make a bow using a fork. Take about 8 inches of a ribbon and lay it across the fork, and you're going to have a 2-inch tail on your right side, and then you're going to wrap the other side around the ribbon, and you're going to find the center hole and push the ribbon through that. Then bring it up over that and through the hole again, but back to the side you started on, and then tie. And that's it. There you have a bow. Take it off, you've made a square knot. Now this is a tiny bow, but you can make it bigger by using a bigger fork. And so I use this tong, well, I don't know, whatever. It's a bigger fork, and I have thicker chiffon. I'm using chiffon there. And I've got about a 2-inch tail, same as the other one. And I'm going to take the other side and wrap it around, and then I'm going to bring that tail into the center under the ribbon, pull it through, pull it through, and then bring it up and over what you've got there. Okay, bring it up. Well, there you go. And bring it over and tie. And there you are. You have a bow. It's a little bigger and nice. Very nice. And now I'm going to do a bow with red just to show you again. Okay, about a 2-inch tail. I'm cutting off about 8 inches. Leave it there, wrap it around, go through this center prong where the space is, bring it up and over and through the prong to the center, like that, and then tie it. And you can also cut the tails off of these and just have little decorative bows. So that's what I'm going to do here. And then I just glue the ends. And that's it. Thanks for watching.